Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install and set up Claude Code on an Ubuntu server from start to finish. I'm running this on Cherry Server's infrastructure, which makes it easy to spin up a high-performance VPS with the exact specs I need, in this case, 12 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores, which is more than enough for this setup. The goal here is simple. By the end of this video, you'll have Claude Code installed, authenticated, and fully working inside your server environment. Before getting started, there are a few things you need in place. First, you'll need an Ubuntu 24.04 server. You'll also need access to Claude Code, which means having a Claude Pro, Max, Team subscription, or an Anthropic console account with active billing. If you're on the free Claude plan, Claude Code won't be available, so you'll need to upgrade before continuing. Now that my VPS is deployed, let's head over to my Ubuntu terminal and SSH into my server. The first thing I'll do is connect to the server via SSH as the root user. Once I'm in, I'll immediately update the system packages. This ensures that everything is current and avoids any compatibility issues later on. After that, I'll install a few essential tools like curl, wget, git, and ufw. These are not strictly required, but they make working with the server much easier. Curl is especially important here because it's what we'll use to install Claude Code. Next, I'll enable a basic firewall using UFW. I'll then allow OpenSSH so I don't accidentally lock myself out, and then I enable the firewall. This is a simple but important security step that helps protect the server from unwanted access. Rather than continuing to work as the root user, I'll create a new user for day-to-day operations. This is standard best practice for security reasons. I add a new user, in this case, I call it dev, and then grant it sudo privileges so it can execute administrative commands when needed. After that, I copy over the SSH keys from the root user so I can log in as this new user without needing a password. Once that's done, I switch into the new user account. From this point forward, everything runs under this non-root user, which keeps the environment safer and more controlled. Now that the environment is set up properly, I'll move on to installing Claude Code. I start by updating the system again, this time as the new user, just to make sure everything is still up to date. Then I'll run the official installation script using curl. This script handles everything automatically. It downloads the latest version of Claude Code and installs it into the user's local environment. In some cases, you may need to add the installation directory to your system path manually. This just ensures that the Claude command is recognized globally in your terminal. To confirm everything is working, I'll run a few verification commands. I'll check where the Claude binary is located, confirm the installed version, and run a diagnostic check. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see output confirming that Claude Code is installed and ready to go. With Claude Code installed, the next step is to actually run it. I create a simple project directory and navigate into it, just to have a clean workspace. Then I launch Claude Code for the first time using the Claude command. On the first run, Claude walks you through an initial setup process. This includes selecting preferences and, most importantly, authenticating your account. Since I already have a Claude subscription, I'll use the provided login link. I'll open the link in my browser, sign into my account, then I'm authorized to use the CLI. After completing that step, I immediately have access to Claude Code from the terminal. The authentication process is straightforward, and once it's done, my credentials are stored securely on the server, so you won't need to log in again. And that's pretty much it. At this point, Claude Code is fully installed, authenticated, and ready to use on my Ubuntu server. I'll run a simple test just to check by asking simple questions. From here, you can just run the Claude command anytime and start building directly from your terminal. Running this on a reliable VPS like Cherry servers makes the whole experience smooth and scalable, especially if you're working on larger AI-driven workflows or development environments. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.